Good afternoon, guys. I hope that you have had a wonderful day so far. You should have in front of you right now the worksheet that says Hamburger Writing on it. Okay? Good writing is like a hamburger. It has two pieces, a beginning and an end that hold all of the important stuff together. Okay? We've already talked about the top bun, which is our main idea sentence or our topic sentence. Okay? It lets the reader know what you're going to be talking about, your purpose. Okay? Now we need to move on to the meat and veggies of our hamburger writing, which are the details. The details give more information about your topic or your main idea, and usually you need 3 of them. Okay? In your personal narratives, the 3 details will be about how you helped a person in the event that you're discussing. Okay, you've already chosen your event. We've already written the main idea sentence. Now we need to decide what 3 details are you going to put in your personal narrative to talk about the time that you helped that person. Okay, in my personal narrative, I'm going to talk about the time that I helped somebody whose car was broken down. Okay. Now, I have already written my main idea or topic sentence for my personal narrative about helping somebody, okay? And it was one hot and humid day. I was leaving school and I noticed someone working on their car, so I decided to see if they needed help, okay? That's my main idea sentence. I might want to change that later on when I'm actually writing my narrative. I don't know. I haven't made that decision yet, but it's fine how it is. So what I need to do next is I need to decide what parts of the story, what are 3 parts of my story that I'm telling that I want the person who is reading my narrative to know. Okay? I know for sure that I want them to know that I had asked that person and they told me that their car wouldn't start. Okay? See, I'm not writing a complete sentence. Okay? I'm just saying as my first detail, the first thing that happened in this story is they let me know their car wouldn't start. Okay? After I found out their car wouldn't start, okay, this is going to be my second detail. I spent some time looking at the car and I helped them check the battery on the car. Okay, I suspected that since it wouldn't start, it was probably the battery. So what I did after I found out that it wouldn't start, I suspected that something was wrong with the battery, so I helped them check the battery. Well, between me helping them check the battery and my third detail, we realized it was a problem with the battery. So I knew, and this is my third detail, that I would need to get my battery cables out and help jump their car. So my third detail is going to be I got out my cables and helped jump start their car. Okay? Very quickly, notice that I didn't use complete sentences. Okay? They're not complete sentences. They don't have to be because this is just a plan for our hamburger writing, okay? My 3 meaty, vegetable-y details to support me helping the person with their car is it wouldn't start, I helped them check the battery, and then I got my cables out and helped jump start their car. Notice how my 3 details are in order. I didn't get my cables out first and start doing anything. I found out what was wrong. I looked to find where the problem was, and then I had the solution. Okay, your 3 details should go in this order as well. Your first detail should be what happened first in the story. Your second detail should be what happened then. And then the last detail, the third detail, should be the end of the story. How did you actually solve the problem that the person was having? How did you help them? Okay? Do not worry about the closing sentence today. Okay, we're stopping with our 3 details of our story because we'll worry about those on Monday. Okay? Please remember, your 3 details that support your story do not have to be complete sentences. Just a couple of words that tell me what are the 3 things that happened when you were helping the person. Okay? If you want, you can transfer your topic sentence from inside your writer's notebook onto this sheet. Okay, put your 3 details on it, and then I want you to put this sheet inside your green folder. Okay, let me say that again. You can put your main idea sentence that we wrote yesterday on this sheet for the topic sentence. Okay, write your 3 details after you decide what they are, and then put this in your green folder. You will need it on Monday. Okay, once you are finished with this and it is in your green folder, you may free write. Um, I don't want you to do any more writing on your personal narrative right now. Okay, please leave this alone, but you may free write on any other topic. I hope that you are having a wonderful day so far. I hope that I get good reports from the sub. If you're not having such a wonderful day so far, maybe make some better choices to turn that around and correct it. Okay, and I will see you guys on Monday.